In today's video, we're looking at how to connect Twilio with Retell AI. We'll be just looking at the Retell AI documentation about Twilio and follow the steps outlined there. It's not a very intuitive process, so hopefully this video can just make it simple for you so you can just watch it and then follow along. Without anything else, let's get right into it. All right, so to follow this tutorial, we will be going through this documentation from Retell AI about how to set up Twilio numbers. And well, the first thing that it asks us is to go to Twilio and go to Elasticsept trunking. So the way you do that is that you go in your dashboard, you go in United States, and then you will see here Elasticsept trunking. If that doesn't come to you, I do just recommend, or you don't see it, just click here and it will just pop up. So maybe let's do that and you will be redirected here. And what we need to do is go on manage and click on trunks. And I do have one already tested, but what you can do is just create a new SIP trunk and kind of just give it a name and you're good to go. So in my case, I'll just follow the one that I had before. And what we need to do here is add a few, let's say, features that you may need. So for example, I selected secure trunking, call transfer, symmetric RTP. I don't even know what that is, to be honest. Maybe let's disable it. Yeah, I guess that's good for now. So let's save. And then what we need to do is go to termination. And what we need to do here. So you will see termination URI, and you just need to provide a URL that is kind of unique to yourself. In my case, I can just say Twilio Retell example. Let's see if that's available. Well, that's available. Good. And what we need to do now is to add the IP access control. So we click on plus. And what we need to do is kind of follow the documentation. So when it comes to IP access control list, so let's scroll down. That's what we just did. Yeah, that's what we need to do. For Elasticsept trunk, yes, here it is. So maybe let's, I don't know, screenshot this so we can just copy paste it. So friendly name, boom, then range 000. Then we just go to number one, it's probably this one, and voila, create ACL. We do it in a second time for this one as well. Boom, back. Oh, not here. I'm not able to access these screenshots for some reason. Okay. We copy paste this one as well. And voila. So first one. And delete, create ACL. And yeah, and then perhaps the credentials list. Let's see if that's needed. No, that's not needed actually. Okay, forgot. Okay, so let's save that. And then we need to go to organization. And let's follow again. So what do we need to do is to add an organization. And we need to put this link here. So maybe let's copy it from now. So let's add it here. Just copy paste. That's pretty much it. You don't need anything else actually. So add. That's added. Cool. See, move numbers to Elasticsept trunking. So let's, okay, it's already saved. So let's go to numbers. And then what you need to do, that is provided you have a number, because we do need that. I will click on add number, existing number. I do have one, add number, and boom, it's now added. Yeah, and that is pretty much it on the Twilio side. Now, what we need to do is to go back on Retell. So you go for numbers. Okay, sorry. and then you do connect to your number via subtrunking. We add our I think there is one step that we actually skipped, which is the username and the password. We should have kind of set that up. I'm not sure if it's necessary. Let's see if that's actually necessary. So we need to copy our number. So let's put it there. We need our termination URI. So that is where we had set it up here. So Twilio, yeah, we will copy the rest later. Then this as well. Well, it's optional, so let's see if it works. I'm actually wondering, because before I would set up the username and the password. Well, it did work, so I guess that's good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We didn't need to add like the credentials. But I think if you perhaps for security reason need to do that, well, I think you should do that then. Add credentials, but beyond that, that's pretty much it. Maybe a quick word also about the buy number, because now we did SIP trunking, so we kind of connected Twilio with Retell. But what you can actually do is just buy a number directly from Retell, and it's like $2 a month. It's actually a Twilio number. And you don't have to have this entire hassle of going on Twilio and kind of setting up the SIP trunking thing. It just automatically from here. You can even select the area code. So yeah, that's also an option. That's actually what I did with my first number. So yeah, that is that. Well, if you have any questions, please comment. Feel free to schedule a free consultation with me. I provide that in the description. And if you liked, please... If you like the content, please like it. And yeah, we see you next time. Thank you.